the fact that we are a facilitator. Facilitator of capital market services, much like Uber and Airbnb are to taxis and hotels. Saxo is to the financial markets, collecting a lot of different suppliers, the different exchanges around the world, 27 equity exchanges, 17 futures exchanges, I think 84 trading venues in total to a user. But I think the fact that we're a technology first facilitator is probably what really differentiates us from the competition, meaning that the front end, the platform that the client uses, is built entirely on what we call our open API. So remove the platform and the entire facilitation is open. It was marketed as a social trading community, kind of like the Facebook of finance, arguably. So it has evolved, and we're currently in the process of absorbing the content, which we consider a very, very high value inside of Trading Floor, into saxobank.com. So we set out on this Facebook of finance exercise, but we did learn along the way that, you know, it might be fine that social networking, you can collect billions of users and then there's value to add, but you know, in finance, the likelihood that you can connect billions on one platform is probably unlikely, given a lot of the regulatory jurisdictions and these sort of things around the world. So what we actually noticed was the social trading side of it didn't perform as what we had maybe hoped, but the content side of it, so the quality of the research and analytics that we were putting into Trading Floor was very highly sought after. So we sort of agilely moved or pivoted from the social trading side of it to the research and analytics side of it and try to absorb that back into the corporate website. Trading Floor was about the users and their data. So the idea that they could come and connect to this website. What's really interesting about Trading Floor was it was the genesis of our open banking platform, really. So back in 2011, we had some very, very smart enterprise architects in Saxo, Benny Johansson being one of many, that sort of coined this concept that if the bank could actually deliver a shall I say, middleware layer between all of the services that we provide inside our engine and the applications that we provide to clients, we could sort of begin this journey on this opening up our platform. So that middle layer was developed. Our next generation trading platform, Saxo Trader Go, was launched. But during that process, we were in the midst of developing Trading Floor, or social trading. So those features, the ability for a client, in this case, a Saxo Bank client, or a client of any one of our 120 odd white labels around the world. So Standard Bank in South Africa or something like that. In theory, they could connect their account to the Trading Floor, and then they were able to create a public profile of themselves, much like you would on Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, Facebook, so on and so forth. Took leading indicators from the social networks, and then be able to disclose their trading activities. That was the real-time trading data that we sort of referred to in Trading Floor. What we learned from Trading Floor was that maybe the real value wasn't so much in the features of this social trading platform, but rather really what that platform was delivering from a content side. So Saxo Trader Go, very bluntly, that is the genesis of our open banking platform. Our open banking future for Saxo Bank was designed in 2011 with the launch of Saxo Trader Go in 2014, I believe, when we actually went public with it. It was the first app running entirely on Saxo's open API. That basically means everything you see inside of Saxo Trader Go, all the numbers, all the information, all the charts, it's all available inside of open API. Therefore, if I am an organization, or if I'm even an individual and I'm looking to build the next generation of financial services, I can access all these pieces of information, all these data points from Saxo's open API.